Hey everybody, today we're going to unbox the 3Shape TRIOS Pod Color. We are RWR Dental, we're based in Montreal, Quebec, and we are the reseller for 3Shape TRIOS products. We sell the TRIOS cart, the TRIOS Pod, both in the standard and color varieties, but we also sell other dental equipment such as Suni X-rays and also used CEREC units. Contact us for our full list of equipments that we distribute. Now today we were very excited to receive the TRIOS Pod Color. This was announced earlier this year at the IDS 2013. We were waiting eagerly to get it because we've been playing with the TRIOS cart for quite a bit, and we want to see how the color would perform. They've made a few modifications. I'll walk you through it through the video, and you'll see how this unit has all the latest of what the TRIOS can offer. Now it comes in quite a small package. It was delivered by FedEx, and we were quite happy to receive it. Let's slide the outside of the package out, and the inside of the package is just a white box. Now on the outside of the package we saw there's a picture of the TRIOS, we saw the slogan, we also saw a map of where the 3Shape offices are located across the world. Here in the box, the first thing we see is the quality control sheet before the TRIOS left its manufacturer, and every step has its initial on it, and there's a final quality check by one of their employees. First thing first, the user manual, make sure that you read it. You have the setup guide. It's thick just because it's got multiple languages, not because there's a lot of content. There's probably about 20 to 30 pages of content. And the software installation guide and technical data. We're included 5 scanning tips, we can see, and also a calibration tip, a USB dongle, and a USB software installation key. The calibration tip looks very standard, looks the same as the ones that we found on the first generation earlier cart systems. The scanner tip is what changed. It moved forward because now with the TRIOS Pod, since we don't have the heating element right underneath the scanner, we now have the heating element integrated into the lens itself. So above the lens there's a heater, and it's conducted through a metal bar in the scanner tip directly to the mirror, so you're going to have much less fogging when you're scanning in somebody's mouth who is breathing through their mouth. We just saw the dongle, which is green. You have to always keep it in plugged into the USB for your software to run, and the USB software installation for those of you, I think most of us nowadays don't really have a CD drive on their computers anymore. Now this is the main event. We have the base of the TRIOS. It's quite a heavy piece to keep the scanner steady. It sits snugly on the table. It's got connectors front and back. This is a controller. I'll explain to you what that does afterwards. We can see here this is the power cable. It's a thick and sturdy power cable. The connectors seems to be regular PC type connectors. We have the data cable, which will go from the scanner to the computer. Here we have the power adapter. A USB cable that will go from the controller to the PC. Here's the actual unit. I would say identical to the ones that we can find on the cart. The tip is flippable, so for maxillary scanning, it'll make it ergonomically easier. Medical grade connector on the other end. And we're going to try to put everything together. So the scanner goes right into the base. Sturdy hold. It doesn't go, it won't go anywhere. This connector actually has 4 pins in it. The difference between this connector and the connector in the front is the number of pins that are in it. One of them has 4 pins. I can't exactly remember which one, but it'll help you differentiate not to insert the wrong connector into the wrong hole. This is the power adapter. And finally, the data cable. Goes into the controller, comes out as a USB connector to your computer. The power cord goes into the power adapter. Goes straight in the wall. And now we have everything set up. We only have to install the software on the computer, make sure that the dongle is in there, follow the instructions very carefully, because there are a few little details that if you don't follow the instruction, you wouldn't know what to do, or you might make a wrong choice and have the software or the TRIOS misbehave. Now, from this point on, we install the software and it runs just like a regular TRIOS on the cart. Except it'll run on your laptop or your PC. Now, the TRIOS has very specific requirements for a PC. There has to be a strong PC with at least 4 cores of CPU and 16 gigs of RAM. I've tried it on a quad-core i7 computer with 8 gigs of RAM, and it ran out of RAM. So you have to get the 16 gigs of RAM. Contact your reseller to make sure that your PC is going to be compatible with this unit, and your reseller is also going to be able to distribute PCs. Well, at least we do. At RWR, we are able to sell you the PC that can run the TRIOS, and that PC will be tested extensively to make sure that everything runs smooth. So if you have any questions, you can always contact us at RWR Dental. Thank you very much for watching. You have a great day.